Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna be showing you guys new Makeupgeek eyeshadows. I'm super excited. These are the new shades. They're so pretty, you guys. So these are called the Power Pigments. They're all super gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch them for you guys. So let's just start with this color here. This is a pink shade. This one is called Unleashed. Unleash the Dragon. This looks amazing. Alright, so let me just swatch the next shade. This one is called Courageous. This one right here. Nice. I like this shade. Then we have a purpley shade called Dedicated. Really nice. It's like a deep berry purple. Then I have Invincible, which is beautiful. I love purple, so this is perfect for me. So this is Invincible. Oh, this is so pretty. Then we have Tenacious, which is so beautiful. It reminds me of like Wild Thoughts, like that color, those vibes. Then there is Indestructible, one of my favorites. This is so pretty. Then there is Transform. It's a green shade. Then we have Potential, which is a yellow. It's not a super bright yellow. It's more of a lemony, it's more of a lemon type of yellow. Really nice. Really nice. Then there's Dynamic, which is an orange. So gorgeous. The last shade is a red. It's called Untouchable. And reds, oh, it's so hard to find a good red. But when you do, you have to like appreciate, because this red is flaming, you guys. I think I'm going to do something green, but I'm just going to use yellow and green for this look. So now I'm going to use the green shade. So there's fallout, so you want to make sure you take it off. This is the whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.